Good day class. So amo ning aton nga lesson for today. So aton subject diri is more siya sa technology and management. Okay? So the strategic role of technology alone does not guarantee business success. Damo nga entrepreneurs can purchase the same equipment, software, machines, or digital platforms. But what creates an advantage is how the entrepreneur uses technology to support business goals. So technology becomes strategic when it helps the business lower cost, improve quality, serve customers faster, create better customer experiences, introduce innovations, or compete more effectively. Ang buot silingon sini is hindi porke may technology ka, successful ka na dayon. So, almost every business today may cellphone, may laptop, Facebook page, POS system, point of sale, or online payment. Pero, ang pabangkot is, paano mo ginagamit ang technology para mag-improve ang negosyo mo? So for example, duwa ka milk tea shops may pareho nga POS, no, point of sale system. Ang first shop ginagamit lang para mag-print sang resibo. Pero ang second shop ginagamit ang data halin sa POS para makita kung ano nga drinks ang best selling kag ano ang oras na pinakadamo customers. So pareho sila may technology. Pero ang second business is using technology strategically. So hindi lang para nga mag-produce ng sang resibo, kundi ma-monitor ya through sa amo na nga system kung anong pinaka-peak ya nga oras. Okay? Example, no? Ang gamay nga cafe discovers through its POS system that iced coffee sells more between 2 to 5 p.m. So, ang decision sang owner, the owner introduces a student afternoon promo. So, ano dire? Ang meaning sini, hindi ang technology mismo ang advantage. Ang advantage ara sa paggamit sang technology. That's why miyara kita sang the strategic role of technology. And why owning technology is never enough. And how to transform it into a competitive advantage. Okay. The technology paradox. So two companies may invest in exactly the same technology but experience completely different results. For one business, technology may become an expensive burden because it was purchased without planning, training, or integration. So for another business naman, this same technology can become a tool for growth because employees know how to use it and management connects it with business strategy. Amoy ni ang interesting part sang technology. Pwede nga duwa ka negosyo nagbakal sang exact the same system pero lain ang resulta. Ang isa ang isa magsiling nagbakal kami sini pero do wala man pulos, dugang gasto lang. Kay base wala gin train ang empleyado ang mga employees, wala gid integrate sa operations kag wala klaro nga purpose. Pero ang isa ka negosyo, pwede nga maghambal because of this technology, nagdamo amon customers kag nag-improve amon operations. So ang problema sometimes hindi ang technology, ang problema is how technology is managed. Example duha ka restaurants join an online delivery platform. So restaurant A updates its menu and employees do not monitor online orders. Si Restaurant B assigns someone to monitor orders, updates product availability, and analyzes which items customer order most. So same technology lang, pero different results. So it's how to use it. No, it's not having it, but how to use it strategically. Okay, so ari nakita nyo, no? Two organizations by exact same technology, one transforms it market position, to other just adds an expensive overhead cost. It's because kung paano sila maggamit sang technology. Sa isa, it's a trap. Sa isa, it's the transformation. Alright, so technology is more than hardware. Technology does not refer only to physical equipment such as computers, machines, smartphones, and production tools. Technology also includes knowledge, methods, procedures, systems, techniques, and organizational processes. So, nga makabulig sa tao mag-solve sang ilang problema. So, therefore, technology has both physical and intangible dimensions. So, usually, kung mabatian ta ang word ng technology, ang una naton panumdom, laptop, cellphone, robot, machine, or computer. Pero mas broad ang meaning sang technology because technology can be also methods, procedures, skills, formulas, production techniques, business systems, no? Makita nyo diri physical objects, these are the physical objects. Ang intangible knowledge mo is the system, no? The procedures, the skills, mga techniques mo, amo na mga intangible knowledge mo. Although, may ara kasang physical objects, you have the technology, but also you need the intangible knowledge on how to use it strategically. Okay? So, another example diri, nari sa dalom, for sa restaurant, ang oven technology. Pero ang system nila kung paano mapadasig ang preparation sang let's say 100 orders during lunchtime. So, technology man na. So, technology is not only what you can touch. It can also be what the organization knows how to do. Okay? So, another, a bakery creates a standardized process where ingredients are prepared and measured before opening. So, wala sila nagbakal sang expensive machine, pero nag-develop sila sang better process technology. Okay? Now, we have the continuous loop of technology management. Nakita nyo no? Continuous loop. So, technology management is a continuous process. Business should not simply purchase technology and forget about it. The process includes identity, select, acquire, implement, utilize, monitor, replace, or improve. Diba? So, technology, nagapadayon lang into changes. So, entrepreneurs must regularly evaluate whether their current system are still useful. So, ang technology management, hindi niya one-time activity. Hindi niya pwede nga, nagbakal na kami software, tapos na. May process kita. So, ang amunang number 1 ta identify ano ang technology ang available. Una, pangitaon mo anay kung ano ang technology ang makabulig sa negosyo. And then select why technology fits the business. Hindi tanan nga bag-o nga technology kinahanglan baklon. Pilion mo kung ano ang bagay sa imo business. And then we have the acquire. Diri mo na kwaon ang technology. I-buy mo, i-subscribe mo, i-develop mo, or i-partner mo. So, and then, implement. Introduce it into the organization or sa imo nga negosyo. I-train ang imo empleyado kag i-adjust ang workflow. Then we have the utilize. Use the technology effectively. Hindi lang ang arag system kinahanglan ginagamit gid. Okay? And then monitor. Evaluate its performance. May improvement bala? Nagdamo sales? Or nagdumbo ban bala ang cost? And then, we have the replace or improve. I-upgrade when necessary. Kung obsolete na or hindi na effective, i-upgrade or bayluhan. So, ang bakery abi nag-starts accepting online orders. So, after sa isa ka tuig, the owner evaluates whether the system actually increase sales and reduce order errors. Okay? Then we have from idea to enterprise. Okay, nakita nyo dire, no? Sa aton nga slide. So the slide distinguishes 5 related concepts. We have the knowledge, technology, invention, innovation, entrepreneurship. So, knowledge provides understanding. Technology applies knowledge. Invention creates something new. Innovation turns an idea into something useful or valuable. So, entrepreneurship organizes resources to turn that value into a viable venture. So, importante gid nga ma-distinguish naton ini because sometimes ginagamit naton sila nga daw pareho lang. Well, let's say, example, knowledge, may nahibaluan kita. Technology, gina-apply naton ang knowledge sa technology. And then invention, may bag-o nga bagay nga gin-create. Innovation, ginamit ang idea para maka-create value. Sa entrepreneurship, gin-transform ang idea into a sustainable business. Okay? So, example, abi, suppose banana waste can be converted into packaging. So, knowledge, naibulaan mo nato na ma-useful fibers ang banana plant. So, technology, may proseso kita para ma-extract ang fibers. Ma-extract ang fibers. And then, invention, may tao nga nag-design sang new processing machine. Innovation, convert ini into biodegradable food packaging. And then, entrepreneurship, may entrepreneur nga nag-build sang company kag nagbaligya sini sa restaurants. Okay. Ang importante diri nga point is not all entrepreneurs need to invent. Pwede ka maging innovative bisan wala ikaw nag-invent sang original nga technology. Okay? And then, distinguishing the core engines of value. The concepts of technology, invention, innovation, and entrepreneurship serve different purposes. Technology asks, what solves the problem? Invention asks, what new thing was created? Innovation asks, how can the idea create value? Entrepreneurship asks, how can we build a viable business around it? So, ari ang simple nga way para madumduman nato, no? Technology, anong gamiton ta para ma-solve ang problem? Sa invention, ano ang bag-o nga gin-create? Sa innovation, paano naton ini mahimo useful kag valuable? Sa entrepreneurship, paano naton ini himuon negosyo? Okay, suppose abe, someone designs a machine that turns coconut husk into plant pots. So the machine may be the invention. The process is technology. Selling environmentally friendly coconut pots to garden shops is innovation. And building profitable company around the product is entrepreneurship. So anong aton diri nga linya? An invention can remain inside a laboratory. Innovation brings it to users. Entrepreneurship brings it to the market. Okay? So, take note of that. So, i-replay nyo ni kung ano to ang line nga bag-o ko lang gin hambal. Because I will be asking you this sa aton klase. Next slide. So, moving beyond an expense mindset. Entrepreneurs should not look at technology only as an expense. Technology can become a strategic resource because it can reduce cost. Makita nyo, no? It can reduce cost, improve quality, increase speed, enhance customer experience, create new markets, support innovation, improve decision making. Sometimes, kung entrepreneur kita, makita naton technology kag ang una nga reaction, mahal, gastos naman, pero instead nga expense lang ang tan-awon, you ask, ano ang value nga mahatag sini sa business? For example, 30,000 ang system, mahal, pero possible. Pero kung makabuli ini nga magnubo ang errors, mag-save employee time, magdamo customers, magnubo inventory waste, then the technology becomes an investment, not simply an expense. So, example, an online seller purchase inventory management software. So, before the system, madamo siya overstock, kag out of stock products. But, after using the technology properly, mas maayo ang mas nagmayo ang iya nga inventory decisions. So, ang technology nag-create value pinaagi sa better inventory control. Okay? Next slide. How are you looking at your technology? So, technology can be viewed from two perspectives. Sa operational view, kag sa strategic view. Sa operational view, how does technology help us perform today's task? Sa strategic view, how can technology help us compete and succeed in the future? Like for example, ang POS system, no, can simply process transactions. Kita nyo na mga POS class nga may mga kaha nag-record na ginapindot-pindot, that's the POS, di ba? Maka-record sila transaction and it can provide data for strategic decisions. No? Kung i-reviewon mo siya, no? Makita mo da, like for example, as what I've mentioned, makita mo na kung ang oras, kung anong pinaka-peak mo. Okay? And then you can strategize about it. So, may duwa kita ka ways sa pagtanaw sa technology. Operational kag strategic. Operational, paano sini mapadasig ang trabaho subong? No? So, example, sa POS, record sales, print receipt, accept payment. So, hindi na siya nga magsulat-sulat pa sang resibo because there is a printed receipt. Maka-record man siya sales, kag maka-button siya payment. Okay? Pero, ang strategic entrepreneur mamangkot, ano paggid ang mahimo ko sa data nga ginahatag sa akon sang POS? So, maybe makita nga ano oras pinakadamo customers, ano nga product wala nagabaligya, ano nga product mataas profit, sino ang repeat customers. 'Di ba? So, that becomes a strategic view. 'Di ba? So, amo na siya ang example naton sa POS, no? Kung butang tabi, let's say sa scenario sang isa ka restaurant. Next, the capability gap, having it versus using it. So, the major difference between a resource and capability. A resource is something that business possesses, di ba? A capability is what the business knows how to do with its resources. So, competitive advantage usually comes more from capabilities than from merely owning technology. So, simple lang. Resource, anong ara sa imo. Capability, ano ang kaya mo himuon gamit kung ano ang ara sa imo. Alright. May Facebook account ka. Resource na. Pero kabalo-kabala, mag-create sang engaging content, mag-analyze sa analytics, mag-convert followers into customers, mag-retain customers. 'Di ba? So that is capability. Let's say, duwa ka entrepreneurs both nagagamit sang Canva. So si entrepreneur A creates random posters. So, si entrepreneur B develops a consistent brand, tests different promotional designs, and understand customer preferences, and uses designs strategically. So, same resource, pareho gagamit Canva, different capability. No? So, here's a simple analogy. Gitara. Having a guitar does not make you a musician. 'Di ba? May gitara ka, pwede ka bang kabalo magamit? No? 'Di ba? Ang gitara is the resource. Pero ang ability mo to play that guitar, wala. But if you have that, you have the resources, may gitara ka, kabalo ka pa magamit, kabalo ka mag-play. So, that's it. It becomes a win-win situation. So, resources are what you possess. Capabilities are what you do with them. Okay. The blueprint for winning. Competitive advantage results from combining several elements. Ano nga mga elements? Technology resources plus employee skills plus organizational processes plus managerial capability equals to competitive advantage. So, technology cannot work effectively by itself. Okay? So, ang formula dere is very important. Hindi enough nga may technology ka, kinahanglan upod sini ang technology resources, may hardware kag software. Ang skills sang imo empleyado, kabalo ang tao maggamit, organizational processes, ano ang workflow, may klaro ba lang nga sistema kung paano gamiton, managerial capability, ang owner or ang manager, kabalo bala paano ini i-connect sa strategy, kung isa sini kulang, posible hindi na maging effective ang technology. No? Example, a cafe creates an online ordering platform. Pero, imagine ha, may system sila pero wala employees nga assign mag-check orders. Ano matabo? 'Di ba? So, this is very common, class. 'Di ba? Technology exists but customers will still be unhappy. So, ka-experience ka mo, nag-message ka mo nga ma-order ka, mangkot ka sa prices pero wala may nagasabat. Pila pa ka days ka gid sabat ka. Okay? Sa messenger. So, technology without people and processes cannot automatically create competitive advantage. Okay? The resource-based view or RBV. The resource-based view explains how resources and capabilities may create sustained competitive advantage. Ang strategic resource should pass the VRIO test. Ano ni? Valuable, rare, inimitable, and organized. So, kung gusto naton mahibaluan kung strategic advantage gid ang isa ka resource, pwede naton gamiton ang VRIO. Okay? Ang V stands for may value bala. Makabulig bala ang magnubo ang cost or mag-increase ang sales. Ang R stands for rare. Talagsaon bala, madamo bala competitors may ara man sini. Inimitable, budlay bala kopyahon, kung makita sang competitor kaya niya bala dayon sundon. Organize, ready bala ang business nga gamiton ini. Bisan valuable kag rare pa na kung wala organization kag proper management basi hindi man magamit. No? Example, permit lang example ang cafe kay do amo na ang mas hapos nga i-visualize, no? Ang cafe espresso machine is probably not rare, hindi siya rare, no? Because another cafe can buy the same machine, pero ang combination sang experience nga barista, special recipes, customer relationships, reputation, and unique service culture mas budlay kopyahon. Parehas ka mo may mga amo sina nga gamit pero may combination pa sang iban. So that combination may create stronger competitive advantage. Now, test your technology strategic value. The VRIO framework can be used as a decision test. If a resource is not valuable, it may create a competitive disadvantage. If it is valuable but not rare, it results in competitive parity. If it is valuable and rare but easy to imitate, the advantage may only be temporary. If it satisfies all the VRIO conditions, it has the potential to create sustained competitive advantage. So imagine may bag-o nga technology ang business mo. Pamangkot tun iniingi mo nga i-question, valuable bala, rare bala, difficult bala ini kopyahon, organized bala ang company, di ba? So another example is Facebook a sustained competitive advantage? Generally no. Nga because anyone can have Facebook, pero ang company may abilidad nga mag-build sang strong online community. So understand customers and convert followers into loyal buyers could become more difficult to imitate. So it's still the capabilities. All right? And then when capabilities become superpowers. Okay? So this slide presents a progression: resources, capabilities, core competency. Resources are what a business possesses, di ba? Capabilities refer to what the business can effectively do. A core competency is something the business does exceptionally well and that significantly contributes to its competitiveness. Okay, pinitlaan ako. So, think of it as 3 levels. Nakita nyo di sa slides. Level 1, di ba, resources. Anong arasay mo? Delivery vehicles, may vehicles ka, may computer, may software, may empleyado. Level 2, capabilities. Ano ang maayo ninyo himuon gamit sini? Very efficient ka mo mag-coordinate deliveries. Core competency, ano gid ang specialties ng company nga mas maayo ka mo kaysa competitors. Okay, for example, known kami for extremely fast and reliable delivery. That becomes part of the company's core competency. Okay? And then, the complete strategic transformation map. No? Ini naga-summarize sang mapa, no? Ano una nga map? Possess technology, manage technology, innovate, treat technology strategically, build capabilities, achieve competitive advantage. Okay? So, ara na, may technology ka, may POS system ka, may point of sale, pero hindi na yan nagatapos. Dapat kabalo ka mag-manage siyang technology, kabalo ka mag-maintain, mag-monitor, mag-upgrade. Innovate, ginagamit mo technology para mag-create ng something better. Treat technology strategically, gin-connect mo na technology sa business goals. Paano sini mapanubo ang cost, paano sini mapadamo customers, paano sini mapadasig service, ba? Build capabilities, people plus technology plus process plus experience work together. Okay? Achieve advantage. Eventually, may capability ka nga pero budlay sundon sang competitors. No? So, example, no? Restaurant starts with POS system, do halos tanan mga restaurants na POS system, pero wala kita kabalo kung paano sila maggamit sina, is it strategic or not. So, pwede actually siya magamit for inventory forecasting. Ang baka inventory forecasting, ma-forecast mo nga wala ka na sang supplies kay na gamit na. So, makita man na sa POS system kung ano ang gagwa, ano ang mas bakal. Okay? Kung ma-create ka sang customer promotions, okay, because may mga oras nga patay, kumbaga, I mean, hindi siya ginakadtuan sa mga amo ng oras. So, ano ang promotion na pwede mo brahon. Tapos, ma-design ka sang menu decisions, di ba? And then, employee scheduling and the pricing. So, eventually, ang imong restaurant develops a strong data-driven management capability by using the POS alone. Ha? Kita na nga may POS, iban, wala nila ginagamit strategically kung paano mapamayo. Okay, then we have the last slide. Having technology is not enough. Knowing what technology to use, why to use it, and how to use it better than your competitors is what makes technology truly strategic. Alright? So, I hope may intindihan ka mo sa aton lesson. Subong, Monday, miara ako sang speakership para sa extension, no? Para ini sa mga certain kooperatiba. And then Tuesday miara man, so 2 days ako nga ma-speaker. So I hope this helps, kay hindi na kita pwede ma-delay. So see you sa klase. Bye class.